from Mega Manila, Philippines to the World Wide Web through broadcast and social media. Veritas 846 Kapanani, 55 years of Catholic broadcasting.
Kapanalig makinig, usap-usapang may hatid, tanging pag-asa at pag-ibig, nagpapalayang katotohanan ng batid. Veritas 846, ang radyo ng simbahan.
Member, Catholic Media Network and kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas. This is radio station DZRV, Radio Veritas, owned and operated by the Global Broadcasting System Incorporated, operating at 846 kilohertz with the power of 50,000 watts. The broadcasting studios and offices of Radio Veritas 846 are located at Veritas Tower, number 162, West Avenue, corner EDSA, Quezon City. The transmitter and tower site at Barangay Taliptip, Bulacan, Bulacan. DZRV, Radio Veritas, is authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission with permit number D-STO 709-97, duly licensed electronics and telecommunications engineers and first-class radio telephone operator. Studio technicians, engineer Edgar Bernardo with ECE license number 00-69955. Gilbert Fernando with license number 2K-1PHN-25169. And Marlon San Diego with license number 98-PIII-22063. Transmitter technicians, Alvin Gibb with license number 96-1PIII-17211. Ryan Torres with license number 2K-1PHN-25170. And Alexander Serosef with license number 97-1PPIII-19550. This is DZRV, Radio Veritas 846. Now, signing off.